Hello everyone and welcome back to Pells Performance. I just wanted to do a little quick channel update to keep things, in motion. So the Porsche is coming along nicely. The engine is in the hole. Now we are just fabricating basically a new subframe because I went the hard route, chose the BFB engine rather than the other ones. So yeah, we've got to chop that subframe, refabricate everything, but you will see that in one of the upcoming videos. Next video to be released is me and the team, and we're going out in the C63, popped over to Mexico and done some hard driving in that before obviously it went on to its new owner. So thought I'd just jump on, tell you what the crack was, tell you what we're up to, but this thing is a mission, massive task. Like I say, we're cutting out the subframe and refabbing it, making it saying what it isn't. But it's going to be awesome. Things are coming along nicely. It's just little bit by little bit by little bit. So obviously this is going to be a multiple part series. There will be videos in between with other projects that we're jumping on. But it is happening. It is moving. We are getting there. I cannot wait. I cannot wait for that first start. Honestly, people, it's driving me nuts. But we are going to get there. So anyway, I thought I'd just jump on, tell you a little bit what we're doing. And I hope that it keeps you interested. I hope that you like what you're seeing. Any suggestions, drop them down in the comments. I read everything, reply to everything. So it's all there, ready for you to do whatever you want to do. But this is coming along nice. Other things in the pipeline. So stay posted, people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And like I say, anything that you want to see on the channel, or things that you think I should be doing on the channel, let me know down in the comments. It means the world to me that you're watching. Come on, let's get this, people. Let's get it.